There are over 365 parts on this board, 0201s, micro BGAs on both sides of the board. This is 100% automated. Hi, I'm Michael Goeringer, president of ArcTronics. ArcTronics is an electronic manufacturing services company specializing in printed circuit board assembly, cable and harness assembly, and box build assembly. We also do ultrasonic welding, heat sealing, packaging, so it's not just a electronic PCB assembly. Yes, everything is US made. Well, most of it's low to mid volume. Most of the high volume PCB assemblies are done over in Asia. We just did a $2.5 million capital equipment expenditure. Our machines from 2006 that placed 17,000 placements an hour. Now these new machines are placing 70,000 placements an hour. So we're able to be competitive with that. We're doing a capital equipment expenditure on our cable and harness side, which will increase the output by 5 times of our wire processing equipment. We buy the parts, but the customer supplies, they're the ones who design the product. We don't design any of our own products in-house. We don't compete for our machinery with our customers. We do design for manufacturability and design for test. We have a half a dozen engineers on staff for that, but as I mentioned before, we don't do conceptual engineering. This assembly here is for a customer of ours that does networking equipment. When you go to a Super Bowl and have all the cell phones with all the people attending large events, it can't handle the cell phone traffic. We actually do the printed circuit board, we do the cable and harness, and we put it into a metal box, and then they put hundreds of them inside of a 45-foot truck, and that handles all the cell phone traffic. We have a software tool that we use that can take your bill of material, do a risk analysis on it. It has an algorithm in there that tells when these components are going to be obsolete. We work with customers there, identify potential problems before they happen. This is a part of a medical device. They are localized MRI machines. This is actually part of a shoulder MRI. It's not actually a flex circuit. This is a 5mm FR4 board that's adhesive to a piece of phenolic. We've done 18-layer boards with 3,000 components on it, and I've done boards that are 1 inch by 1 inch that have 2 parts on it. Our second facility does cable and harness and box build. So this is a typical harness, something that we manufacture. We do military. We retrofitted the Australian Special Forces with satellites and night vision equipment, and we built all the power distribution cables for that. ArcTronics is a AS9100 certified company. We're also ISO 1345, and we're an ITAR registered facility. We have 3 pick and place machines. Our newest line, all ASM equipment. We have 2 shifts that assemble. Being a family-owned business, my father started it in 1972. This is our 45th year. We're located in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. It's the largest industrial park in the United States. We're 10 minutes from O'Hare Airport. And I think that because of the Midwestern pricing and having that location and distribution channel has made us successful. Looking forward to working with you and your electronic assembly needs.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.